Greetings, brothers, sisters, friends, and foes. It's Bill from Agape on the streets, and I am back here in Albuquerque now at my room. I spent the day with Josie and Starr up at their campground, and what a blessed time! What an amazing time! God has done such amazing healing. I am so proud of those two as I meet a mature man and woman of God. So I've made it up here about an hour outside of Albuquerque to see Josie and Starr. They are the only ones out here. Pretty interesting place. There's a little church down the street, and they've been connecting there and getting really good fellowship. So we're going to go check that out a little bit and hit the hot springs. It is pretty breathtaking. It is not quite like Sedona, but pretty close. It definitely has that style to it. There's a lot of these. We're kind of down like in a fault line here, and you got the cliffs all around you. You got snow on them. Quite a beautiful creation that God has made. And we're just like right below that. It's so amazing just looking up, and if you get binoculars, there's tons of birds up there. I guess it is a bird habitat. With all that snow melting, there's plenty of water, a lot of little streams. Really beautiful stuff.
Realized how beautiful this would be, and I wanted to show you. I have been curious.
What God has turned them into has just blessed my heart. It is, it's amazing. It's amazing. And it just showed me how much he's grown me lately, and how he wants us out on the road. The more we talked, the more we prayed, the clearer it was. And got to spend a lot of good time in fellowship, and other Christians he's put in our path up there. Some amazing stuff going on. Tomorrow we're going to be going to church together. Locals there are really in love with the Lord. Prayer warriors for sure. So we're going to connect with them and pray with them and see what God does. He's just really putting on my heart to get going now, and kind of giving me the strength and the vision and everything to put things back together. I've definitely been through a lot, and it's been very hard to get support out there from most of the brothers and sisters. They don't understand this, but he's putting us more and more in touch with people who really do, who's really given the vision to, and it's been incredible. I got to take a really nice ride today, right around the town where they're at. Got to go through these neat cave tunnels here. Just a lot of beautiful, it's a beautiful place. I still don't understand Albuquerque. As I was saying in my last video, very strange connection here spiritually. Maybe it's just, because God's doing different stuff with me right now. I don't know, but came up through Gallup, New Mexico, and made some really good connections there. And I got into Albuquerque. Really nice people, but spiritually it was just nothing. No connections, nothing really going on. But then got up the hill, and up there by the campground, it was amazing. A little community that's just on fire for Jesus. I'll get a little video tomorrow of church and the fellowship and stuff. I didn't have a chance to make a whole bunch of video, just a little what I shared with you here, but that really isn't why God has me up here. I'm being very careful not to get distracted. This isn't, there's a lot that goes into a video with production and stuff, and this is time for God to talk to me. So I spend a lot of quiet time, and I'm sorry. I would like to show you guys more because there's an awful lot to show. It's beautiful. But I can urge you guys, same thing, connect with the Lord and go out where He sends you, and you will be blessed. I love every one of you very much. I want to thank you for your prayers, your support. I want to ask you to please share these videos with your friends and family. Make sure you click the little like button on there because it helps us out with our YouTube account. And we want to get videos out to people and let them know that God is alive. If you want to know more about Jesus, the Jesus that loves you unconditionally, no matter who you are, please get a hold of me. Go to our website, agapeonthestreets.com. Go to the Telegram page link right there. Great app. Put it on your phone. You can chat back and forth with me in that group, or you can ask me to chat with you personally, and I'd be glad to do that. God bless every one of you now. Bye-bye.